All right, everyone, let's begin with the new question. The question says a bookseller paid rupees 1530 for a parcel of 50 books on which he had given a discount of 15%. Find the list price of one book. Let's quickly begin with the solution. Dear students, always remember one thing. Whenever you are given with the net price, correct? ये यहाँ पे जो 1530 है, ये net selling price है या नेट प्राइस भी बोलते हैं उसको. तो यू आर गिवन विथ नेट प्राइस एंड आस्क्ड टू फाइंड लिस्ट प्राइस. तो जब भी नेट प्राइस दिया हो और लिस्ट प्राइस फाइंड करने बोले तो ऑलवेज टेक लिस्ट प्राइस एज रुपीज एक्स. यहाँ पे हमें लिस्ट प्राइस ऑफ वन बुक पूछ रहा है तो आई एम कंसिडरिंग लिस्ट प्राइस ऑफ वन बुक बी रुपीज एक्स. नाउ सिंस द क्वेश्चन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट 50 बुक्स, करेक्ट, ये जो नेट प्राइस है ये 50 बुक्स का है. तो उसी तरह अगर लिस्ट प्राइस ऑफ वन बुक इज रुपीज एक्स, then what will be the list price of 50 books? Yes, it will be 50 into x, that is 50x, correct? Now along with this we are given with trade discount or TD as 15% and the net price is given as rupees 1530, correct? Now try to recall the formulae associated with list price and net price. I'll help you out. See, these are the two cases. The first case, when you are given with two discounts, trade discount as well as cash discount. First you will find invoice price and then you will find net price. ये वाला जो केस है, you can refer this case in question number 11, the previous question. But इस question में, question number 12 में, we are given only with one discount, that is trade discount TD. So we can directly make use of net price formula like this. Net price, list price minus trade discount. I repeat, when you are given with two discounts, first you will use invoice price formula, then you will find or use net price formula. And when you are given only with one discount, you can directly use net price formula. So let's use this formula directly because we are given only with one discount. So what will be the net price? Yes, it will be list price minus TD. Now net price in the question is already given as 1530. So left hand side will be 1530. But this net price is for 50 books, right? तो ये जो लिस्ट प्राइस है ये भी हमको कितनी बुक्स का चाहिए? 50 बुक्स का चाहिए. तो 50 बुक्स का लिस्ट प्राइस इज 50x. So list price will be 50x and minus trade discount will be 15% of 50x. अब हमको कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ इस इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करना है टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. दैट्स इट. हमारा टारगेट है x फाइंड करना. तो वी सिंपली नीड टू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. दैट्स इट. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे वी have same thing 1530, then 50x as it is. Now this will be 15% of 50x will be 15 upon 100 multiplied by 50x. In the next step it will be 1530 as it is. This will be 50x and minus, if you simplify this further, this 50 and this 100 will become 1 by 2, right? 50 2 is 100 and then 15 upon 2 will be simply 7.5 into x. So the simplification of this is 7.5x. Now in the next step, left hand side will remain 1530. 50x minus 7.5x will be 42.5x. Now rearranging this, we get x equals to 1530 divided by 42.5 and simplifying this further will give value of x as rupees 36. So the list price of one book in this case is rupees 36. Thank you very much.